Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the fuck? What the f was that? What?
You're a dumbass, I hope you know that. Your car's f***ed up because you're stupid as shit and you hit the curb. Oh, you're a dumb
Don't do it. What are you trying to do? You gotta go forward. That's going on YouTube. Idiot.
Step that way, then step this way. Are you my friend? My friend? Then step.
What the f*** are you doing? Jesus Christ.
Canada, salute surfing Montreal, DJ Montreal, yeah?
Yeah, you.
Stop, Josh.
Asshole.
Stop. Stop.
What? He wasn't letting me over and then he honks at me.
Today.
Christ! All right, I gotta make a phone call.
I just got rear-ended badly.
Okay. Thank you.
Get him safe, brother.
You too, man. Stay safe.
Gotta tell the story for what it is. So Clinton brought the car to a stop under a cluster of trees, and Tians got out, leaving Allison completely alone now in the car with her abductor. And Clinton sexually assaulted Allison at this point. Who gives a shit? And this was all.
Firm. Their tax attorneys and licensed professionals specialize in powerful taxpayer assistance programs that can save you thousands if you qualify. Having resolved over $1 billion.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.